Focus on your legs and notice how they feel. Your legs help you stay active as well. So say to yourself, I'm grateful for my legs. How do you feel from saying these words? Let's extend that same good feeling to your hips and pelvis. Feeling this area of your body, noticing the different sensations. And say to yourself, I am grateful for my hips and pelvis. Very good. Let's continue to our belly now. All of your digestion takes place here. The gut is also known as the second brain. It's where you feel a lot of your emotions. Notice any sensations you have here in your abdomen. And say to yourself, I am grateful for my belly. Notice how this feels. Pretty good, right? Continue up your body to focus on your upper torso, your lungs, your chest, your heart. Say out loud or to yourself, I am grateful for my upper body. Every time that you state that you are grateful for an area of your body, you feel better in that area. Do the same thing for your arms and hands. I am grateful for my arms and hands. Very good. Be grateful now for your neck. Feel your muscles in the neck respond to your words. Nice. Continue up to your head now, being grateful for your eyes, giving you vision to see the world. Grateful for your nose, your ability to smell all the wonderful things in the world. Grateful for your mouth, where you speak your words, how you can taste all the colorful flavors of the world. And be grateful for your mind. Know that you are able to choose your thoughts. You can take every thought captive and know that you can ruminate on whichever thought you choose to. It is up to you what you focus on in life. It is time in your life now to let go of those negative self-talk and any negative beliefs. They are only holding you back. So when you take a thought captive that is negative, you can say to yourself, I don't want to think this, and then think the opposite. It takes a little practice, but you can do it and feel the benefits. Now, say to yourself, I deserve happiness. I deserve love. I deserve peace. I deserve freedom. Wonderful. Knowing that you are able to accept your flaws and move through any mistakes. So before we finish our meditation, Let's imagine that you are looking into your bathroom mirror. You can probably visualize your bathroom pretty easily. Notice all the details you can, and begin to look at yourself in the mirror. That familiar face you have seen your whole life. Imagine that you say to yourself again, "I love you."